What's up, robot fans? Breaking news from Hyundai Motor Group. At CES 2026, Hyundai just unveiled their transformative AI robotic strategy under the theme Partnering Human Progress. This is huge because Hyundai owns Boston Dynamics, the company that makes Spot and Atlas, those incredible robots you've seen doing parkour online. Here's their roadmap. In 2026, Hyundai is opening RMAC, their Robot Manufacturing and Application Center in the United States. This is where they'll train Atlas robots using real-world data. By 2028, that's just 2 years away, Atlas robots will be deployed for highly repetitive tasks in factories. By 2030, they'll handle complex assembly work. Hyundai's partnering with NVIDIA to make this happen. They're using something called behavioral datasets that combine training data with real-world operations. This creates a cycle where robots continuously learn and improve. At CES, you can see live demos of Spot doing industrial site inspections, gauge monitoring, and facility management. Atlas is demonstrating advanced industrial applications right now. But here's what's interesting. Hyundai isn't just focusing on factories. They showcase their entire robot portfolio, from the X-Plea shoulder for mobility assistance to their automatic charging robot, to the MyRobot platform that just won CES 2026 Best of Innovation Award. The timeline is aggressive but realistic. From hardware-driven robotics to AI-driven adaptive robots that amplify human potential. Want to track Atlas and compare it with other industrial robots? We're building the ultimate comparison tool at MyRobot.shop. Coming very soon, stay tuned. This is your robot update. See you next time.